We're going to look at fractional coefficients for a quadratic equation, and we're going to complete the square. So today we're looking at completing the square. And here's your quadratic equation, where A, B, or C are fractions, rational numbers. Okay, so let's pick one here. I'm gonna pick something let's see here. Okay, let's complete the square using where we have 2/3 x squared plus 4x plus 1. And now we see A, B, and C. A is a fraction, and we need to get rid of the fraction. Okay, so what we do first is we're gonna multiply both sides by the denominator 3. So then it gives you distributive property 2x squared plus 12x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, this is more familiar. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna divide by 2 because we want that a coefficient to be 1. So I'm gonna divide by 2. Each term by 2. So what I'm gonna have here is x squared plus 6x plus 3/2 equals to 0. And once we have a is equal to 1, we're going to subtract 3/2 to both sides, the c coefficient. And we have x squared plus 6x plus. And what I'd like to do is put a space here for it. Negative 3/2 plus space. So you know you're going to have to add something there. Okay. So if you recall, then what you do is you're going to take the b coefficient, 6, divide by 2. You're going to square it. Gives you 9. 6 divided by 2 squared. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So you're going to add 9 to both sides. And for here, I'm going to go 9 over 1. Okay? And I'm going to move it up here. I'll move this equation here. So now I'm going to factor the left side to x plus 3 squared. And I'm going to simplify the right side. So it's negative 3/2 plus 18 over 2. So what we have there is common denominators. So I'm going to simplify the right side to 15 over 2. Then we have the left side as quantity x plus 3 squared. We're going to get rid of the square here by taking the square root of both sides. So I'm going to take the square root of the right side and the left side. And I'm going to simplify or rationalize the right side. So we have plus or minus square root of 30 over 2, which is the left side x plus 3. So once you get in this form, you have your answer already. All you got to do is solve for x. So subtract 3, x equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 30 over 2. And this is the answer that you arrive at for the quadratic equation 2/3 x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. And you're going to complete the square.